Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to NIVS Home School. Here I am Lokman, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Leadership. My beloved students, I hope you enjoyed your vacation fruitfully. After vacation, we have started our online class again. This is the first class after each vacation. So I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's discussion topic is scene passage. It has been taken from Unit-22, lesson 1 and 2. So let's read out the passage first. In our today's discussion, you will get the idea about two friends. One's name is Laila, another one name is Bithi. They are two friends, but their manner, habit and activities are totally different. Laila is very talkative girl. On the other hand, Bithi is very calm and quiet person. So let's read out the passage first. Here, read the text and answer the question number 1, 2 and 3, and finally 4 number will be SW. My beloved students, I would like to request, please go to your text, take your textbook and open it, lesson 1 and 2, unit 22. It's about Laila and Bithi. Laila and Bithi are friends, but they are very different. Laila likes to run in the park and swim. She is very active. Who is very active? Laila. Laila is very active. She also likes to talk. Her mother says, "Oh Laila, you are so talkative." As Laila wants to talk again and again, and she likes to talk much, that's why her mother called her a talkative. On the other hand, Bithi is a quiet person. She doesn't like running or swimming. She enjoys reading. She especially loves stories about other countries. So this is all about our today's passage. Our passage about Laila and Bithi. They are friends, but their manner and habit is totally different. Now go to question number 1. In question number 1, you will get column A and column B. In column A, there will be given some words as vocabulary, and column B, the meaning of vocabulary will be given. So let's see. First one is active. Active, search the meaning of active. Always busy doing things. Active means always, who always remain busy doing something. So write down answer here. A is matched with number 3. Write here number 3 and write the correct answer also. Always busy doing something, doing things, any work, who remain busy always. Okay, next one, talkative. Talkative means who talks a lot, someone who likes to talk a lot. So number B is matched with number 5. Write here number 5 and the correct answer is someone who likes to talk. Likes to talk a lot. Okay, it's done. Now go to question number C. C is quiet. Quiet means not making much noise. Number 2, it matches with number 2. Write the proper answer here. Not making much noise. Okay, then go to number D. D is especially. Especially means particularly, which is different from others. Particularly. Number 1. D plus number 1, particularly. Particularly. Okay, then go to last one, different. Different means not like something or someone else. Number 4, D. Number E is matched with number 4. The correct answer is not like something or someone else, which is different. Okay, now go to question number 2. In question number 2, there is given some statement. The statement can be true and the statement can be also false also. but you have to write the true or false beside the statement. First one is Laila is an inactive girl. Is it true? Just try to match with your passage. According to passage, we came to learn that Laila is a very active girl. So information is false. Right here, false. Okay, then go to number B. B number is Bithi is a calm and quiet girl. Yes, the information is matched with our information in the passage. So right here, true. Okay, then go to question number C. Laila and Bithi are close friends. Yes, our today's passage is all about Laila and Bithi. They are very close friends. So information is true right here, true. Okay, then go to Bithi is talkative. No, the information is not true. Bithi is very calm and quiet girl. So right here, false. Bithi loves stories about other countries. Yes, the information is matched with our information according to the passage. So right here, true. We came to learn that Bithi loves stories about other countries. Okay, now go to question answer 3. In this part, you have to write the answer of some question. First question is, what are the names of two friends? Right from here, write subject first. The names of two friends are Laila and Bithi. Yes. Next, go to where does Laila like to run? We came to learn from the passage that Laila likes to run in the park. So right answer here. Right first subject Laila. As here question is asked, the do verb does, then you have to add extra s with main verb. So like should be likes. Laila likes to run where? In the park. Yes. Now go to question number C. What does Bithi like? Bithi likes reading. Bithi likes reading book. Bithi likes reading stories, storybooks. Yes. Now go to question number D. Why is Laila called talkative? Now write from subject Laila is called, just copy from the question. Laila is called talkative. Now write the reason. Because she wants to talk a lot. Laila is called talkative because she wants to talk a lot. That's why her mother called her talkative. What is the relation between Laila and Bithi? The relation between Laila and Bithi is close friend. The relation between Laila and Bithi is close friendship. Okay, the relation between Laila and Bithi is close friendship. I mean, you can write another way. You can write also they are close friends. Is alternative answer. They are close friend. Is another answer. You can choose anyone. Now, question number 4 is your SW. This is our SW number 8. Write a short composition on your best friend. Write a short composition on your best friend. This is your SW topic. Submit this SW coming Sunday and collect the previous SW also. So this is all about our today's discussion. I hope you have already understood our today's discussion. And our today's discussion was about Laila and Bithi. They are two friends, but they are very different one another. So stay safe, stay well, and listen to your parents. Allah Hafiz.